Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is the most waited and most demanding video. So yes, today I'm going to do unboxing and review of Mivy Collar 2. So yes, I bought this some time back, but I thought that today I should do the unboxing and review with you guys. So actually I bought two together in a deal. This I have opened, this I'll open in front of you. So before I do the unboxing, I would like to tell you the most important feature that I like about Mivy Collar 2 is it is made in India. So yes, it is an Indian product. Okay, so about features we'll talk later. First we'll do the unboxing. So yes, let's do it. This is the beautiful packaging of this Mivy earphone, and it opens like this. So on top of it we'll see a card which says about a registration that you can do. Steps are written over here, and there is a scanner also, and at the back side Mivy is written. And yes, straight away we get the Mivy Collar 2 earphones. So let's see. So this is my silicone Mivy Collar 2, and I can simply put it like this, and if boys are carrying this, they can put it under their collars and they can forget about it. So yes, this is the good thing that I like about this collar headband, not headband but earphones. And you get magnetic interlocking, so in case when you are not using it is on your shoulder, you can just put it like this when not in use. Good thing about this is you just charge it for 10 minutes and you get 10 hours of play time. So it just supercharge. And the other thing is ki if you want to complete charge this, then it is written that it takes 40 minutes, but as per me, as per my personal use, complete charge also take 10 minutes only. So that's the good thing about this. About its features, so it is written over here, so I'll read it for you. First is that you get HD stereo sound, then it is dust proof, like whenever you wear it on your neck. So if you are going for a workout, then there is sweating, so it is sweat proof. Then 10 hours playtime that I told you, magnetic locking that I told you, made in India, yes, that I have told you in starting only. And you have a super solid bass in this Mivy Collar 2, and of course it is lightweight. So these are the features that stand it out from other earphones. And you have 1 year limited warranty. This is the most asked question, that if we can connect it to our laptop. Yes, you can definitely connect it to your laptop. I would say Android and iOS both works with it. Bluetooth 5.0 is there, so you can definitely connect it. It comes in 6 beautiful colors, that is red, black, orange, blue, green and grey. So these are 6 beautiful colors. So the ones that I have ordered, I ordered actually 2. So one is red and other is black. So black I have unboxed in front of you. Red I had already opened before. So this is my red collar earphone, this one. So what else do you get with this? Yes, that's the good question. So here we have this packaging inside. When you take it out, then you have small open here chambers. So when you open one, you get this cable for connectivity, and when you open the second one, you get the extra earbuds that I told you. So very beautiful packaging, I like it. And you can just put it here. Initially I thought that there is nothing along with this headband, but then I saw this and got to know that yes, this packaging is like that only. And in the end we have this, yes, manual. So we have this manual, everything is written about Mevi Collar 2, you can read it. So it comes along with this. So packaging wise, beautiful. Yes, another question, if Mevi Collar 2 is better than Boat earphones. So everybody must be knowing about Boat earphones if you are using. So I would say if you are a bass fanatic, then you can use Boat definitely. But if you just like a balanced sound, soft, subtle to your ears, then Mevi will do it. So all good, calling experience great, but yes, one drawback, that it doesn't vibrate when any incoming call is there. So this headband doesn't vibrate. So this is one drawback that I came across. Else, good to carry. On the left side of this collar earphone, you get this volume up down button. You can increase or decrease your volume. Buttons are given here, and power button is also given here. So when you hold it for 1 second, blue light comes in. So yes, now it's in the on stage. And on the right side you get nothing. On the left side you get these buttons and also the charging point. So this is the charging point. When you need to switch it off, you need to press it for approximately 3 seconds. Yes, so this is all about this Mevi Collar 2 earphone. Rest of the features are majority I have told you, else you can read in manual also. And yes, do comment below to share your experience. Maybe something is there which I haven't experienced, maybe you have experienced, but the only thing that I came across is that it doesn't vibrate. So yes, this was all about this Mevi Collar 2 earphones. I hope you liked this review. If you liked the review, then please guys like the video, hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, watch this video. Goodbye and thanks for watching.